So yes, we are back, and today we'll be talking about different companies which are making the different layers of the metaverse. So we'll come to know about which companies are involved in building the different layers of the metaverse, and also we'll talk about what is metaverse for beginners, and then we'll also talk about what is Web 1, Web 2, and Web 3. So before moving to this, let me change my screen so that so here let's talk about Web 1, Web 2, and Web 3. So before that, let's talk about what is the metaverse. So the metaverse is a combination of different technologies: virtual reality, augmented reality, and video, where users live within a digital universe. So you will be having avatars where we'll be visiting different digital universes, and then supporters of the metaverse envision its users working, playing, work, play, and stay and connected with friends. So you just work, you play, you socialize. So that's what it's called the metaverse. So in a metaverse you have you have offices, virtual offices, you have meetings with people, you have musical concerts, you have different sports, you also have different virtual trips around the world. So let's say a group of friends visiting London, so you might be having similar feelings as visiting those places. It is much better than watching a video of London with your friends, because there in the digital universe you can talk with your friends, you can see you can go around the universe, you can see the different places, you can talk with each other, you can experience it. So this is moving much more towards the actual thing. So that's about the metaverse. Now let's talk about what is Web 1, Web 2, Web 3. So Web 1 was in the days of 1990s, where you read only content. Means you just go to the website and you read, you cannot write back. Then came Web 2. So Web 2 is Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, all these are Web 2, because you can read the content, you can write the content, so you can type in, so you can write, but the content is owned by a centralized company. So in Facebook, the content is owned by Facebook. In Gmail, the content which are stored in their servers, these are owned by Gmail. So it's a read-write only. Then we have come to the world of Web 3. So Web 3 is read, write, and own. So it means you can read the content, you write back, you write the content, and you can own your content. That means whatever content is yours, whatever photo or the things which belongs to you, like any digital file, so these are yours. So this is stored in a blockchain. It is a technology called blockchain, and then it is linked up to your crypto wallet. So since the wallet is yours, so that's why the content is linked up to that wallet, and nobody can take away that content from you. So it's read, write, and own. So that's the thing about Web 1, Web 2, and Web 3. So we are going to direction of Web 3, where there will be no centralized company dominating it. So that's how it is, read, write, and own. Now let's talk about the different companies building the different layers of the metaverse. So in infrastructure, we have chips and processors like Qualcomm, NVIDIA, Samsung. So the processor should be high-end, because it needs a lot of processing power, 3D and all those. Then we should have a good internet network, 5G and low latency networks. So AT&T, all the big internet backbones. So these companies are there involved. Then we have the cloud infrastructure, the servers and all. So AWS, VMware, all these are taking part in it. Then we have the edge infrastructure. So these are all related with the infrastructure, so which is called network and computing. Then we have got the hardware, like access interface hardware. So we have got different companies making headsets, holograms, then smart glasses, which is augmented reality. So companies like haptics, they're making interface like hardware where you can connect your uh, devices. So, so all these companies are doing a lot of research, investing billions of dollars to make all these hardwares so that we have a better experience in the metaverse. Then we have got tools, software tools. Then we have got avatar development tools. Then 3D design tools, 3D modeling and capture, and so all these things are there. So visualization tools, this all related with 3D. Then we have the virtual world. So if you are not familiar with virtual world, you should visit websites like Decentraland, Sandbox, Fortnite, Roblox. Then these are all metaverse platforms. So these are all virtual world. So in the times to come, we'll be having a number of virtual worlds. Each company, a group of companies, or they are making their own metaverse platforms. So these are, and virtual world are centralized. It means it's controlled by one company. And then there are worlds like Decentraland, where it's decentralized. It's run by the community. There is no central authority or central company managing it and running it, the metaverse platform. Then since it's all about crypto, so the transactions in the metaverse is done in it's cryptocurrency, and almost all the metaverse platforms have their own cryptocurrency. So we have this like economic infrastructure. So we have got crypto exchanges like helping to buy coins so that you can use these coins like Sand, Mana in Decentraland or in the Sandbox. Then we have got crypto wallets. So like you need a wallet, so it can be a hardware wallet or a software wallet. And we have got NFT marketplace where you can buy these NFTs which are used in the metaverse. So like NFTs like your clothes, your sunglasses. So these are all digital assets. And so I have also a video about how to the different jobs in the metaverse. Do check that out as well, so that there are lots of opportunities for tech and also non-tech guys to get into the metaverse early and then develop the skills and then join in the ecosystem. Then we have all these payment modules like PayPal, Visa, MasterCard. All those will be there because we have to convert the cryptocurrency to a normal fiat currency like dollars or euro or pounds or Indian rupees. So then the experiences like what all experiences are there in the metaverse. So we have got virtual concerts in the metaverse. So do check out Fortnite and how there are a lot of YouTube videos. Just Google like musical concerts in the metaverse. Then you'll get what it is, how it is, and why people are moving in the metaverse to have a better experience than watching it in a TV or on a YouTube video. Then gaming is always there. So gaming platforms, then metaverse, then virtual fashion. So like you'll have fashion shows which are there in the metaverse. So that's a different experience. Like you watch this fashion shows on the TV. So this is the next level of watching this virtual fashion shows. So it's more immersive. Then we've got virtual real estate. So people buy real estate. They buy real estate, and some real estates are expensive, some are like affordable, and then you build up your own offices in the virtual world, and then the customers visit your office in the metaverse. Then you can sell products, you can sell services, you can talk with the customers in the metaverse. So that's how it is. So it is going in a big way, and we have companies like HSBC and Sony and a lot of the top companies. They are buying land in the metaverse. They're building up their offices. So these offices are more or less similar to the physical offices, their global office which they have, so that it's a one-stop solution. People can go into the metaverse and then they can find the products which they're interested. They can talk with the people there, they can get more information, and then they can obviously decide their product to buy or to buy that service. Or so. And we have also like recently the Union Bank of India. So they have bought land in the metaverse. and we have banks from Kuwait, Middle East. So banks are coming in because they know that this is the future. So if we don't have an office in the metaverse, if we don't have office in the top metaverse platforms, so it is the next level of having a page in Twitter or having a page in Facebook or Instagram. So this is the next level, because it's more, the experiences to a customer is much better than the experience which they get by visiting a Facebook page or a Twitter account or like Instagram. So this is the next level. Then like virtual work is there, so you go into like virtually, like you go into office, you sit in your designated desks, you have meetings with your colleagues, discuss on different topics, you show presentation, and you can also interact with customers. So you can invite customers to join you in the metaverse platform, and you can show a presentation and all these things, just like you do in the physical world. So that's called the virtual work. So it's an exciting thing. So we will be having a lot of development in the metaverse. We will be having a lot of experiences, new experiences in the metaverse in the times to come. We'll be having high-end infrastructure development. We'll be having hardware development like headsets and all, like giving a much better feeling, like body sensors and all these things. Then software tools to help out to make all this 3D like offices, and to make like different NFTs. Then a lot of metaverse platforms will come, and then we will also having a lot of crypto exchanges, and people will be more buying cryptos and NFTs because they want to have the experience this in the metaverse world. So that's a brief about the different companies building each layer of the metaverse. Do check out our previous videos, and yes, these are exciting things to come in the times to come. So yes, do visit our like YouTube channel as well. Let me give you the link so that you can go it, and hope like you keep visiting us often, and do check our different channels in YouTube about so that is we talked about the different layers and the different companies participating, like contributing to the metaverse. And so this is our web page. So this is our so you can search crypto Flugelsoft, and like you'll find this. So we have got interesting videos. Do follow up. So companies building the metaverse. Then we have software platforms, like which all programming language, which all platforms will help you to make smart contracts, NFTs, all these things. Then we also have a Discord server. So Discord server where a lot of users they join the server to get the latest information about Web3 technologies, about the different job sites as well. So do follow our Discord server. So like interesting videos we have done from time to time. So do tell your friends as well about it. Do tell your friends about it, as we do talk about Web3. We do talk about the different programming platforms, the different like how to make NFTs, the different and then we also talk about cryptocurrency trading, and then we talk about scams which with cryptos to avoid, and how to do research on that. Yes, so all these videos are short, and to follow the YouTube channel, and we have so it's more of tech, finance, marketing, NFTs, all these things. And yes, we'll be making more videos in the times to come, and do follow our channel. And till then we'll come again with more videos. Thank you, and then bye bye. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you tell your friends as well, and we'll be putting up more videos in the times to come.